Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about our Silex presentation, and we are the group set from the inventory management. We have five group members: me, Ongzi Amin, Shiva, Chantanatanel, Nisha, and Rice. Firstly, I'll start to talk about with the executive summary. In an executive summary, we have learned about the Faga Fast Center. It's a fast-growing industrial distributor, and it is handling over 12,000 SKU on site and 50,000 SKU on off-site. It has a strong customer demand, and it has many orders, like 300 orders per day, and net sales is 6.1 million dollar. But there is some operation like warehouse or in a warehouse operation, it relies heavily on employee memory and manual process. For a core issue, current system can scale with the SKU growth. For the objective, implementing the system-driven, efficient, and scalable warehouse. Okay, and I'll go to the next slide. In a situation analysis and underlying factors, warehouse process evolve informally over time, and heavy reliance on experienced staff or product location and order fulfillment. No centralized WMS and barcode scanning or the integrated system. Current operations work, but only because of the employees compensate for the system gaps. Scale and also in this one, scalable is impossible without modernization. No real-time performance dashboard. Returns and errors not tracked systematically. I'll go to the next slide. In a primary issue, warehouse, we can categorize this into three: create bottlenecks, memory-based, lacks real-time performance. Warehouse operation are the memory-based and not system-based. That would be creating bottlenecks in accuracy, speed and scalability. For key symptoms like displays in picking and put away, risks of errors as SKU counts grow, and inconsistent process. Limited real-time visibility. That will be main identification. For an ascension for the modernization, leadership supports the digital transformation, but budget is available for system upgrades. Workforce can adapt with training. SKU growth and warehouse expansion can be expected, and data stabilization is achievable, and, and the system first operation will support the strategic decision making and better forecasting. And for the last one, the expansion of warehouse and SKU can make the modern assumption. Thank you very much. After I finish, Nisha will continue the next slide. Thank you.
My name is Nisha Gokarna, and I'll be explaining this slide, which consists of Porter's five forces and variant analysis. To understand FACA Fastener's competitive position, we began with Porter's five forces. The threat of new entrants is moderate due to a fragmented industry and FACA's low technological barriers. The supplier power is low to moderate because FACA has many vendors and no major dependencies. The threat of substitution is high as products are commodity based and easily replaceable. The competitive rivalry is very high because it's driven by overlapping products and competitors with superior automation. The buyer power is also very high since customers have many alternatives and expect fast, accurate services. Moving on to variant analysis, we conducted uh, the company's 47 years reputation and loyal customer base are its strongest assets. They are valuable, rare, and difficult to imitate. However, they are only partially exploitable due to outdated warehouse operations. Other resources such as large inventory and broad supplier network add value but do not provide differentiation. The manual warehouse system fails all VRIN criteria, confirming it as the core operational weakness.
Now we move on to the ABC inventory classification, which is one of the most important improvements for organizing the warehouse. The main purpose of using ABC classification at FACA Fastener is to improve picking efficiency, reduce travel time for workers, and ensure fast-moving products are always placed in the most accessible location. Under the system, items are classified into three groups: A class items, B class items, and C class items. In the bin location system, each bin location follows a standardized format: zone, easel, base, shelf, and position. The system eliminates guesswork and removes the need for improvement to remember where items are placed. Instead, every product will have a unique scannable system defined location. When combined with the slotting strategy from the ABC method, the bin system ensures faster picking, reduced misplacement, easier onboarding for new employees, and a consistent and repeatable warehouse process. This marks a shift towards system-first operation, enabling warehouse growth without relying on memory-based knowledge.
Now let's talk about KPI dashboard system. Once the warehouse processes are standardized, we need strong visibility into performance. That is where the KPI dashboard system comes in. The dashboard will provide real-time monitoring of warehouse activities, helping management make quick and accurate decisions. It includes three main views. Live operations dashboard. This shows orders received, picked, packed, and shipped. It also displays live pick accuracy percentages, delay alerts, and low stock warnings so issues can be addressed immediately. Inventory health dashboard. This tracks inventory accuracy over 30, 60, and 90 days. It includes heat map of slotting, cycle count variance, and space utilization to identify congestion areas of storage inefficiencies. Management scoreboards. This view focuses on high level KPIs such as on time shipments, return and error trends, labor productivity, and forecast indicators. Together, these dashboards transform warehouse performance from reactive to proactive, supporting both operational control and long-term strategic planning.
Finally, we present the implementation timeline, which outlines how FACA fasteners can transition from manual operation to a fully modernized warehouse. The timeline is structured to ensure the changes are realistic and manageable for the employees. It starts with the data standardization and barcode setup, followed by ABC classification, bin system rollout, and eventually full WMS implementation. This phased approach allows testing, training, adjustment at each stage. By following this structured plan, FACA can reduce risk, maintain day-to-day operations, and smooth shift towards scalable technology-driven warehouse model. Overall, the timeline ensures modernization happens progressively without overwhelming the workforce or disrupting customer service. Thank you.
The financial analysis shows that FACA is in a strong position with over $6.3 million in sales, a 3.87% return rate, and a 100% markup. Financial performance is healthy and demand is stable. This confirms that the issue is not profitability but operational scalability. The company has the financial capacity to invest in modernization, and doing so will protect margins, support growth, and strengthen their competitive position. We then examined the strategic impact of modernizing operations. Upgrading the warehouse would transform it into a strategic asset, reduce dependency on employee memory, improve speed and accuracy, enable faster onboarding support expansion, and ultimately strengthen customer satisfaction and reliability. Modernization doesn't just fix inefficiencies, it unlocks the company's ability to grow profitably.
Now I will walk through our key recommendations and then close out the presentation. Based on our analysis, FACA Fasteners is financially strong but operationally limited. The warehouse process rely on employees' memory, which makes it difficult to scale. So our recommendation focus on moving forward a structured system-driven environment. First, we recommend implementing a warehouse management system supported by barcode scanning to improve accuracy and reduce picking errors. Next, applying ABC classification helps prioritize space for fast moving shelf keeping unit, which directly improves order speed. Introducing a standard bin location system ensures every product has a clear permanent home, making onboarding easier and eliminating the dependence on individual staff knowledge. We also suggest cleaning and standardizing item data since reliable reporting depends on accurate information. Finally, real-time KPI dashboards will allow supervisors to monitor performance, identify issues quickly, and continuously improve warehouse operations. To minimize disruption, all the improvements should be introduced in phase stages, beginning with the controlled pilot area. In conclusion, Faka Fasteners have a strong customer base and profitable operations, but the current manual processes cannot support future growth. Modernization will make the warehouse faster, more accurate, and more scalable, and it will enhance employee performance rather than replace it. Overall, these changes position FACA for long-term competitive advantage. Our references for this project includes academic sources and industrial research. Thank you all for listening. We are happy to answer any questions you may have.